Hello guys, welcome to this art tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to paint within Photoshop. Photoshop's a really piece of easy software to get hold of, so don't worry about it and you should be able to get it fine. So let's begin. First we want to go to File, New, and what you want to do is you want to go to the document type. You want to change this to International Paper and set it to A4. That way we get like 300 resolution. It does something with posters, it'd be great. It's just future proofing. Once you're happy, just click OK. We now want to create a new layer because you need to. So go down to the bottom right of Photoshop, click the new layer button. There is a shortcut for this, but I can't quite remember what the button is. So we're going to be using the brush tool to paint on this. I'm going to be using a custom brush for this. If I right click, you can see all the custom brushes I've got here. I'll put a link in the description where you can get hold of all these brushes. So we're now going to start painting on our new layer here. We're just going to draw the outline for the character we're going to be painting today. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say what character. So we're going to be painting Wolverine from X-Men. And you're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more cool tutorial videos like this. Oh yeah, and don't forget to save your work.